Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will be focusing on replacing the trigger for the Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. This guide will help you understand each step of the process clearly, ensuring you can complete the task efficiently. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Begin by ensuring your vacuum is turned off and unplugged from the wall. Safety is crucial when working with any electrical appliance. Once you've checked this, we can move on to the first step. Locate the screws on the handle of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find it challenging to grip the screws, a pair of pliers can help provide a better hold. After removing the screws, gently pull the handle away from the main body of the vacuum. You should see the internal wiring and the trigger mechanism. Take a moment to inspect it for any dust or debris. If your vacuum has been used heavily, you might find some buildup here. A quick internal cleaning can improve performance. Now, focus on the trigger mechanism itself. You will need to remove the old trigger. Look for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove any screws you find. Once the screws are out, carefully detach the trigger from the assembly. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any hidden screws or clips. At this point, if you feel uncomfortable or unsure, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the situation and provide you with the right guidance. With the old trigger removed, take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Make sure it fits snugly into place. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle this yourself, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of transporting your vacuum anywhere. Secure the new trigger with the screws you previously removed. Tighten them gently but firmly. Ensure that the trigger moves freely and isn't obstructed by any components. Next, reattach the handle to the main body of the vacuum. Align it carefully and press it back into place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the screws that hold the handle. Make sure everything is tightened properly to prevent any loose parts while the vacuum is in use. Once everything is reassembled, it's time to test your work. Plug the vacuum back in and turn it on. Test the trigger to ensure it functions correctly. If there are any issues, it might be best to consult a professional. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the cost before any work begins. If everything is working well, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your device, so keep an eye on other components as well. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.